We are asked to find the area of the shaded portion. Welcome back to my channel. First of all, let us draw out the parts that we can see here. Okay, different types of shapes that we can see. First, let's join A to D. Let's join A to D. Okay. Now, having done that, this question, people fail it a lot, but I don't know why students are failing it, because it's actually very easy. So if you look at this now, we have three shapes that we can see. The first one is, we can see a quadrant. We can see a quadrant, and the quadrant is ACD. ACD, because this is 90 degrees. So this is a quadrant, right? So if we have this is part of the this part, that's what I'm representing. Now we have another part that we can see. If you look at this, we can, from here, we can draw out what this particular triangle. So let's draw triangle ACD. ACD. Okay, so let's find the area of this quadrant and also find the area of this triangle. Then you're going to see how we are going to use this to actually find the area of the shaded portion. If this is the first time you are seeing this lovely channel, please hit the subscription button, turn your notification bell, yes, so that you don't miss our videos. We always upload our videos as often as possible. To be at your convenience, there must be something new for you to watch. All right, give us a thumbs up if you love what we are doing. All right, now looking at this drawing, like I said, we're going to find the area of the triangle and that of the quadrant. First thing, we have AC. This is a square. Okay, I forgot to mention that this is a square, and if this is a square, that means if this is 2, this is 2, this side is 2, and this side is 2 as well. So AC is equal to BC, which is equal to CD, which is equal to AB. So AC is 2, CD is 2 as well. Now let's find area. Area of a triangle is half base times height, right? So the area is equal to the base times the height divided by 2. The base times the height divided by 2. The base is 2, the height is 2. So we'll have 2 multiplied by 2 divided by 2. So this, we remove this, we have 2. So this is 2 units squared. The area of the triangle is 2 units squared. So if you look at this, now we have a quarter circle or a quadrant. Now area of a circle is pi r squared, right? Area of a circle is pi r squared. Now area of quarter circle will be pi r squared divided by 4. So as usual, AC is 2, CD is 2 as well. Okay, now the radius of this circle is 2. So the area of the quadrant will be pi times 2 squared divided by 4. Pi r squared divided by 4. So we're going to have pi times 4 divided by 4. This, we remove this and we have pi. So the area of the quadrant is pi. The area of the triangle is 2 units squared. So this is pi units squared. Then we are asked to find the area of the shaded portion. How are we going to make use of this and this to find the area of the shaded portion? It's actually something you can do easily. Okay, you can see that this is part of this. So if we should take away the area of this triangle from the area of this quarter circle, we are going to find the area of this part, this one on top, right? We are going to find it. So let's go ahead and do that. Area of the quarter circle minus area of the triangle will give us this area. This one I'm shading now. All right. Now, area of the quadrant is pi and area of the triangle is 2. So let's go ahead and do that. So area of the shaded portion, because this is half of it, will be equal to area of the quadrant minus area of the triangle. Okay, so it's going to be area of the quadrant gave us pi minus area of the triangle gave us 2. So this will be unit squared, right? But we are actually looking for the total area of the shaded portion. So if half of the shaded portion, the area of half of the shaded portion is pi minus 2, that means that the area of the whole shaded portion will be equal to, so area of the shaded portion now will be equal to 2 multiplied by pi minus 2 units squared. So if you open the bracket, we have 2 times pi is 2 pi. 2 times 2 is 4. Now pi is 3.14, right? Now 3.14 times 2 will give you 6.28 minus 4. If we solve that, we will have, sorry, minus 4. It's supposed to be like this. So we are going to have approximately 2.28 units squared as the area of this particular shaded portion. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in my next video. Bye.